Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply quote the person in Notion. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just press here /, and right when you're gonna be here, you want to scroll down below, and you're gonna see it here, mention a person or mention a page, like really up to you. And when you're gonna click mention a person, you can just simply add it here, and this person is going to be automatically mentioned right when you have a text or button or some like critical information for him or for her. This is how you do it. So again, or you just can simply go like mention by writing this, and you can mention whatever you want. So yeah, thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, goodbye.